So update guys, ang ganap natin today ay babati tayo dito sa baba ng Eid Mubarak or Happy Eid sa ating mga Muslim friends. And so ayan na po ang ganap dito. Kuha tayo yung kape, Albert, or gawa. Mr. Sammy, Eid Mubarak. How are you? How are you? Eid Mubarak. Selfie? Mubarak. Selfie daw muna kami.
كيف الحال؟
Nagboto po.
صحة وسلامة ازيك؟ كان كويس؟
So ayan guys, napag-picture na tayo dito. Ayan. Kasi may mga kasama natin kabayan sila. Dami ng tao. So ayan. Yeah, oh. Ayun oh. So guys, here are my MDR team guys. Sheikh Shavali and my partner in badminton. So ayan guys, ang ating MDR team. Kuha tayong kape. Brother. Gawa pala siya. Gawa. Thank you. Shukran. Sarap. Ayun, may kape doon. So ayan guys, madami na yung tao. Nakita ko yung first driver ko dito sa Almas Lumian, kasi si Abbas pati natin. Hi Abbas! How are you? This is Abbas. Say hi! Yeah, dito si Abbas guys, yung first driver namin sa logistics. Let's take a picture. Yeah. Wait lang, picture lang kami. So yan, hingi tayong kape guys. Yung specialty coffee. Well, here's the logo. So, tapos na ating celebration. How are you, Viraman? Yes, good?
Yes, no need to do.
Yeah. Good to see you. Everything's fine?
Don't see.
Aywa. Where are you sitting? Still 8th floor?
No, now in MDR.
MDR now? Oh, nice. With Mr. Muhammad Salman.
Yes,
Good to
how are
see you. And everything's fine.
If you need car, I come to you direct. Huh?
Sure, just come to me, ha? Aywa. So, ayan, dami nating mga colleagues na nakikita, guys. So, anyway, hindi natin tatapusin yung ating content. So, humingi na tayo ng coffee. Tapos, may onte lunch break na. So, with that, bye na guys. Eid Mubarak.